Hey guys, Jake from PDR Canada here. I want to show you a few of the tools that I like to use when I'm repairing hoods for PDR. This is a suction cup, and the reason we use that is to basically have an access point to push all around the hood, and I'll show you there in a sec. And the type of tool we'd be using with that suction cup is this guy right here, and this is just your basic push rod tool. So come over to the hood and I'll show you guys. Yeah, so guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is take the little cover off of that, and you don't want to lose that because then you can get dust and stuff inside, and all that's going to do is cause the suction to not really work the way it's supposed to. So I usually just keep it on the hood stand that I'm at, and then that way you can't lose it. So what's this going to do? It's going to basically give us a leverage point anywhere we can suction it. So I'm going to suction it down here to show you. Just got a little pump on it. You keep pushing it until the red line disappears. And now this is solid. So you grab your bar and you slide it through the loop. And now you can pretty much push anywhere that you'd like on a hood. Mind you, obviously you can't push through a brace or something, but there's lots of open areas. Now, so this thing, it goes in lots of places. You can almost fix anything in the open just with this.